Ever wondered how it feels to wake up each morning, not to the shrill sound of an alarm clock, but to the soft chime of notifications indicating earnings made while you slept? What if the constraints of time and money didn't dictate your life? Welcome to a world where this is not just a possibility, but a reality for many, the world of passive freedoms. Meet Vijay Nelson, an ex-security officer who scaled from $0 to $10,000 per month in just 5 months. His secret? The 7-step framework offered by Passive Freedoms. No product, no technical skills, and no large budget were required. All he needed was the drive to succeed and the guidance provided by his mentor, Jonathan Montoya. And Vijay isn't alone. Countless individuals have transformed their lives using the tools and resources provided by this platform. They've transitioned from chasing the clock to becoming masters of their time, and from financial insecurity to financial freedom. Passive Freedoms is more than just a platform. It's a treasure trove of resources, a supportive community, and a path to a life of opportunity. It's a tool that equips you with the knowledge and skills to build sustainable passive income streams through the power of affiliate marketing. The benefits of joining Passive Freedoms are transformative. Imagine having more time to spend with your family, financial security that allows you to pursue your passions, and the freedom to live life on your terms. Designed to simplify the process of affiliate marketing, Passive Freedoms is a platform that caters to both beginners and seasoned marketers. It's a community that's here to support, inspire, and celebrate with you every step of the way. The future may not be promised, but the opportunity is. Visit PassiveFreedoms.com today. Explore the platform, read the success stories, and take the first step towards the life you've always dreamt of. Remember, Passive Freedoms isn't just about financial freedom. It's about time freedom. It's about life's freedom. It's where your journey to a better life begins. So why wait? The time to act is now. Passive Freedoms, where dreams become reality.